Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding women collection. Women stylish, beautiful crocheted flower necklace designs, different ideas for you. Beautiful necklace designs. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of women crochet necklace designs, flower necklace designs, beautiful necklace designs, decorated with flowers, beaded stones. If you want to buy these very beautiful women crochet necklace designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ets5.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video collection. You can wear these very beautiful necklace designs when you go in the birthday party, wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. See beautiful color combination contrasts. Beautiful flowers, beaded stones, decorated. So please friends, don't forget to like me, share me, comment me, subscribe me please. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.